Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up contributing to an HSA using Betterment step by step clearly. To set up contributing to a health savings account, or HSA, using Betterment, begin by visiting the Betterment website. Log in to your Betterment account or create a new one if you don't already have an account. Once logged in, navigate to the investing section in the main menu. Look for the option labeled Health Savings Account or HSA. Click on this option to access additional information about HSAs. Review the eligibility requirements to ensure you qualify for an HSA. If eligible, click on the button to get started with opening an HSA. Fill out the required personal information on the application form. Provide details such as your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. After submitting your personal information, select your investment options. Betterment may provide various investment portfolios tailored for HSAs. Choose an investment strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Next, fund your HSA by linking an external bank account. Input your bank account details securely to enable transfers. Decide how much you wish to contribute to your HSA. Remember to stay within the IRS contribution limits for the given year. Once you've set your contribution amount, review all entered information. Make sure everything is accurate before finalizing your setup. Submit the application to open your HSA. You should receive a confirmation email once your HSA is established. Log into your Betterment account to monitor your HSA balance and investment performance. Utilize your HSA debit card for eligible medical expenses. Keep track of your contributions and stay informed about IRS guidelines. Make adjustments to your contributions and investments as needed throughout the year. Congratulations, you have successfully set up your HSA with Betterment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.